one day at a time. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Come in. Take a seat. Would you like a drink?
Yes, please.
Val, you can't hold this against her. It's not her fault.
Here. It's been a while.
Yes.
So how are you?
How do you think I am?
Oh, Val.
What do you want me to say? That I'm fine? That everything's as great as it used to be?
Val.
Come on, Val, please.
Because it's not. She's gone and we all know who's to blame.
Excuse me?
Guys, please. Em, it's not your fault. And Val, calm down. Stop it.
If it wasn't for
Calm
you, she'd
down.
still be here. Admit it, Emily. You're the reason she's dead. Anna's gone and it's all your fault.
And you think
What's
that
my
you have
business?
nothing to do with it? Look, I invited you here so that we could work through this. This isn't what Anna would have
Well, you
wanted.
should have thought about that before. Gosh, I'm leaving.
Please wait.
How could you even think that we could be the same without her?
Don't worry, Em. I'll always be here for you.
I miss you. I'm so sorry.